In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will notify us by email when a new Salesforce lead is added. So let's build this journey. Select Salesforce as trigger. Then choose Create New Record as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now choose an option for Object. Now in steps, we will send an email via Gmail. Select Gmail. Next, add Send Email as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the recipient's email address and subject. Add message using Salesforce app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Salesforce, add a new lead, fill in the lead details, click on Save. The lead has now been created. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Gmail. We can see we have received a new email with Salesforce lead details. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.